Credit Sesame Credit Repair Honest Review. Watch before using. Links to products were added to the description. In this video, I'm giving you a clear, expert breakdown of Credit Sesame and whether it's actually worth using if you're trying to improve your credit profile. First, it's important to understand that Credit Sesame is not a traditional credit repair company that directly disputes items on your behalf. Instead, it's a freemium credit monitoring and financial management platform that provides tools, insights, and in some cases, premium features to help you manage and improve your credit over time. One of the main features is free access to your credit score, typically based on TransUnion data, along with regular updates so you can track your progress. You also get a breakdown of the key factors affecting your score, such as payment history, credit utilization, account age, and inquiries. This makes it easy to identify exactly what's helping or hurting your credit, which is essential if you're trying to improve it strategically rather than guessing. The platform also provides personalized recommendations for credit cards, loans, or refinancing options based on your credit profile, which can help you choose products that match your approval odds and avoid unnecessary rejections. Where Credit Sesame stands out is in its premium plans, which include features like credit monitoring across multiple bureaus, identity theft protection, and even limited dispute assistance. While it's not a full-service credit repair solution, some paid tiers offer help with disputing inaccuracies, which can save time if you're not confident handling the process yourself. There's also access to a digital debit account with cashback rewards, making it more of a full financial ecosystem rather than just a credit tool. Another useful feature is the credit report analysis, which highlights negative items and provides clear, actionable steps to address them. This makes it particularly helpful for beginners who need guidance on what to do next. However, it's important to keep expectations realistic. Credit Sesame won't magically fix your credit, and results still depend on your financial behavior, consistency, and time. Also, like many platforms, it may not show your full FICO score, which is what most lenders actually use. Overall, Credit Sesame is best suited for users who want a mix of free monitoring, guided credit improvement, and optional paid features for extra support. It's a solid choice if you prefer a structured, educational approach to rebuilding your credit, but not ideal if you're looking for a fully managed credit repair service.